welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some HMONG comfort food. It's cold here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it's snowing a little bit. So yeah, this is what I wanted to eat today. Everybody makes theirs a little bit different. You can use different type of meats like chicken, but I'm using like pork riblets. Well, not riblets, but it was pork, and I just cut them into like this size, and it has the bone in there. Then I'm going to be using some firm tofu, and we're just going to flavor it with some salt, ground black pepper. I'm going to use some Thai chili pepper and some lemongrass. So let's get started. And I'm also going to be using some mushroom seasoning. So here I have my pot, a small pot, and I'm just boiling it. And I just added enough water to fill the pot. So we're just gonna let this boil, and then we're gonna go cut our tofu. Okay, so if you haven't dealt with tofu before, it comes in a package. What you're gonna wanna do is drain the water, and you're just gonna cut your tofu into the size of pieces that you like. I don't like mine to be too chunky, so I'm just gonna cut them about that size. So you're just gonna continue to do this to all of your tofu. Okay, so here is my bowl with all my tofu. We're gonna set that to the side. And here is our lemongrass. I'm just pounding the ends of the stems to release the flavor. And then you just wanna tie it up in a string like that, okay? And once my water starts boiling, then I'm going to add in my lemongrass. So make sure you come back and skim off all the foam and stuff from all the fat and stuff from the broth. That's what I just did. So we're just gonna let it boil some more. Okay, so now that our pork has been boiling for a while, I lost a little bit of my liquid, so I'm just gonna add like probably a cup. And then now is the time I'm gonna throw in my tofu. Yum, I can't wait to eat this. Okay. Then I'm just going to flavor it with some salt to taste, some black pepper. I love me a lot of black pepper. Some of my mushroom seasoning. Let me taste where we're at. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. And just a little bit more mushroom seasoning. And that's perfect for me. So I'm just gonna let this boil up just a little bit more. The meat is done.
But I just want to cook the tofu for a little bit, okay?
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do with my peppers. I'm just gonna slice them diagonally like that, just to bring out the flavor, so it's a little spicy. This is optional. If you don't want that in there, then don't do it. So now I'm gonna throw this in my pot. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. You see my little Thai chili pepper in there, the tofu, and the pork ribs, and it's gonna be so scrumptious. And today is like the perfect day to eat it too. And I'm just gonna eat this with some white rice on the side. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a like, share, and thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.